Hey everyone, welcome to another video. I am Chris Runge with Runge Cars, and this is the Runge RS. Over the last 8 or 9 months, we have been documenting, to the best of our ability, the creation of this car. We've pretty much built it from the ground up. We've hand built the aluminum bodywork, and now we're focusing on the interior. So in this video, we're going to be cutting out templates for the carpet, installing some sound deadening, and starting to trim out the interior. So right now I am just working out the details of the seat mounts. We're going to have an adjustable driver's seat, and so I have to locate exactly where the holes are going to be drilled and get that mounted in. All right, I've got the seat mounted, got the sliders in place, and a good idea of the tilt that I want the seat back at. I will test fit this with my customer later this week, but for now, I'm just gonna hop in and give it a quick test. Locks in place nicely. So this all feels really good. Now I can go ahead and get my seat foam cut, get the leather installed, and get it back into place. So my son made these chairs off of my previous design, and each one of these slats gets a layer of foam and then leather over it. So that all looks good. Next step will be to cut out our foam and cut out our leather. Wow, that's a match you don't often get. All right, now we're going to scuff these up and then glue the foam pads to each of them. All right, let's take these up and cut the leather for them. So the way that these work is that the leather gets wrapped around that block and glued to the back. So I'm just going to lay a mark down in there, kind of do that, and then we'll come in at the ends and mark each end. And then I'm going to give myself about an extra ½ inch beyond that. So that'll stay with 5. All right, so the first thing I want to do is make sure that I'm centered on the cube of foam here, and that I have enough material at each side to reach around. Now, I want to shoot this straight down, and I'm going to do that with the lighter glue here. All right, so the backrest is looking good. Now we're going to get our bolsters, upper and lower, installed, and then we'll do the seat base. We're going to take this and use it for a template, because this seat cover is going to be done in 3 pieces. So I want to make a reversed pattern as well for the other side. All right, I'm ready to get some piping made up here. Now, this piping is going to get sewn right along this line. So this feels fantastic. So since our last video, we have covered a ton of ground in this interior. As you can see, it's pretty well trimmed out, but to do that takes a lot. So we've built a tunnel cover all the way front to back. We customized the e-brake handle with a brushed finish. We installed our Super Light logo on the dash, trimmed out the door jambs. The cockpit has been sound deadened and all the inner paneling has been covered and trimmed in leather. We got our seatbelt bezels installed. Just really came together beautifully. Feels great, smells great, and I think it's going to be really comfortable, really fun to drive. So that wraps up this episode on the RS build. In our next episode, we're going to be thermoforming the headlight covers, so make sure you come back for that one. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do, and thank you for watching.